chaos of motherhood. This is some of the things I go through every day, but this things makes motherhood so beautiful. This is the only girl amongst the three boys. She seems a bit tired or maybe hungry. Oh, I guess she feels sleepy. I'm going to carry her at my back as we do in Africa, Ghana. She wouldn't stop being fussy, so I walk her around the whole house to get her to sleep. Let's see if it works. She's so heavy. My back hurts. Took her around the whole house, and I think she liked it. She kept quiet and enjoyed looking around the house. She refused to sleep. I guess she's hungry, so I'm coming to feed her. Let's hope she eats. She's really a foodie. She drank all the milk. Now I sit her up to make her burp, and I can finally have time for myself. 6 p.m. that day, playing with my boss. That's my favorite thing to do with her. Some French fries with apple juice. Why not? I quit the weight loss journey, haha. Let me eat, I beg. I won't starve myself. Life is too short to lose weight. Don't mind me. Baby giggling. At this point, I should forget about the weight loss. I topped it up with my pina colada. A little cream for my pimples and skin brightening. Cleaning is sport to me, so I'm doing sport at this moment to see if I lose 1 kilogram the next day. My paint arrived. My house is messed up, so I need to see if the paint helps. Let's say I'm going to be a painter today. You can call me Painter, Efua. I hope the paint can cover the oil up. Oil on the wall. The next day, a little cleaning. Bought some clothes. Shooting a YouTube video. Homemade pancake for kids. The baby's food I ordered arrived. None was broken. And sleeping tea for myself, 'cause I can't sleep these days. 6 p.m. Sunday evening in my backyard. This is a Monday morning, and I really hate Mondays, but I have no choice but to go to work. Gosh, I hate Mondays. So here, I do a little skincare to brighten my face before I leave. I applied my fave Nivea cream. Now I am on my way to catch the bus. My work is just 15 minutes from my house.
So guys, I just closed from work. The weather is beautiful, very sunny, and it's not so cold. That's why I have my jacket opened. I'm on my way home, so See you guys later.
I passed by the drugstore to pick my favorite lotion mixer and also get stuff to try for reviews. These are all skin repair creams. No bleaching zone. I had oats for dinner. It's my favorite type of porridge. It's a source of weight gain for kids. More healthier than cornflakes. Motherhood also comes with responsibilities. Now I have to be the teacher too. Eliel hates mathematics. Anytime he hears about maths, he complains of being sick. He's on a 3 weeks vacation, and that means I need to teach him every day, so he catches up for the next term. See his face. His teacher has asked all parents to teach our ward sum addition and subtraction. But bigger numbers, for example, 85 plus 16 equals. He didn't like the fact that his other brothers were playing, and he had to learn. I promised him some games and a watch if he got all the maths correct, and he did. So proud of you, Eliel. He got serious when he heard I will buy him gifts. Sometimes I have to really yell, but today was calm and he understood the calculations, and at least I saw some smiles on his face. He hates mathematics with a passion, just like me. Made this caramel toffee for them so that I don't waste money buying more sweets. At least I know how much sugar they are eating, plus it saves me my cents.
Deine?
Mention my
Nein,
name
von Juli.
1,000 times a day.
Nein, das ist von Mama.
Mama that.
Ja.
Mama.
Sie,
Mama.
ich möchte viel.
See, you got
Sie kann. Mama.
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Mama, ich möchte viel
and
singen.
share.
Yeah! Ich Vater No photo. Oh no, Mama, guck mal, mein Zero. Mommy, my zero. What's wrong with my zero? It's
Zero?
Yeah. Oh, meine nicht. Look. Gewonnen.
Oh,
Blue.
9.
Oh, nein. Mein Zero ist lying away. Elian hat keinen jetzt. Ich hab keinen.
Da hast du viel, guck mal.
Das ist
Guck mal, hast du viel? 0, okay?
Und Elian nicht. Elian hat keine. Mama, warum?
Oops. Sorry.
See you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Drop your comment below.